All right, how we doing, everyone? It is good morning, technically, still in Pattaya. I woke up early this morning to watch American football. So if there's any football fans out there, how about them Cowboys? They looked good today. Still not sold on them being great this season, but they did a good. They had a good game today. Anyway, I slept pretty well in this room, so far the room's been worth it. The only thing that's kind of crappy is the shower. It's one of those removable handle things, and the hose isn't long enough to be like put up on the top, so you always have to hold it, or it's like spraying everywhere. I think this is just their older tower, and they're getting good use out of it right now. But overall, the bed's really comfortable. The AC works really well, so I have zero complaints really. If that's like the one thing, so be it. But yeah, the room's pretty good so far. Just an update on that. Couple of things. I did drop off my laundry yesterday, so I am. It's 2 day. I didn't realize that, so I have to pick it up tomorrow. So I'm wearing a like my pool shirt or whatever today. So yeah, just plan accordingly for laundry, and then also getting a haircut. So there's a few barbershops, Soi Buakhao right by me. So I'm gonna walk around and find one, and I'll update you on how much it was and how it looked. Well, you guys will see how it looks and everything. But yeah, got some errands to run today. Pick up a couple of things like some, go find somewhere to buy a couple of towels and stuff like that. Other than that, you guys have recommended a couple of places for me to go and have lunch. So I'm gonna try to find a couple of places that were recommended to me in the comments. And yeah, we'll have a good day out there. So I'll update you in a little bit. All right, so I got a haircut. 100 baht. Looked like that was pretty standard. I passed by a couple and they all had that 100 baht sign on the door. She did a really great job though. I mean, the English was her English wasn't really that good, so I just went off of a picture that I had on my phone, and she did a really good job actually. So I'm pretty happy with this haircut so far. So I'm gonna get a haircut. I'm gonna go get lunch right now. I tried going to one of the restaurants that you guys recommended to me last week, I believe. Unfortunately, it was closed. I don't know if I know some restaurants are closing 1 day a week because of staff issues right now. So I don't know if that's the issue, but I'm gonna get some lunch, and then after that, we'll see what we do. All right, so just had lunch. I'll include the prices, how much it was. One thing I forgot to say, for any of you that tried to join my live stream yesterday, I am very sorry. It's supposed to be my first live stream ever. Unfortunately, I was on Beach Road and it showed I had full bars of service, but for whatever reason I could not connect. So it would connect for like 10, 12, 13 seconds, and then it would say buffering and buffering and buffering. And I tried over and over and over again, and it just didn't happen. So unfortunately, I'm sorry about that. I'll figure out a better way. I'll either figure out another spot that has better connectivity for me, or I'll find a spot like a Starbucks or an Amazon cafe where I can kind of use their Wi-Fi and piggyback off of that. So anyway, I'll show you where I'm at right now. Every time I pass by a place that has like everything closed, it's kind of depressing to me. But unfortunately, that's the reality right now. But yeah, as you can see, this street's been hit pretty hard. I'll show you over here, but I won't walk over there. Last time I went that way, I got attacked by like 3 massage places, so. And there's actually a couple of raindrops happening, so I'm actually gonna stay kind of close by this area and not go too out. Yeah, it's starting to drizzle, so I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go and probably get a coffee somewhere. Alright guys, so it says 5,000 baht a month, special promotion. So we'll have to see what that's about. If enough people are interested, I can get some more information on that. All right, hello from Soi Buakhao in Pattaya. So I'm here. It's a pretty chill night so far. Weather's good. I hope it stays this way. I'll give you a kind of a quick look around, see how it looks right now. But yeah, looking like a chill night so far. Alright, so that's a check-in right there. So you check your temperature, you use sanitizer, and you have to write down your name and phone number. Not sure how strict they are on the phone number, don't seem like they give a crap, but yeah, that's technically what you're supposed to be doing right there. But as you can see, we're in the Treetown food court. Really nice place. So right here, this truck right here, it's actually to-go cocktails. So you can order a drink right there. You just can't drink it there. But in the food court, it's fair game. But yeah, you can order cocktails. They have like a small size and then a large size. I believe it's 180 and 220 baht, I think, for the small and then the large. But yeah, it's a really fun environment. You'll find a lot of people around here. You'll find a lot of girls around here. So it's a fun time. Let me flip the camera a little bit so you can see behind me a little bit without getting my big head in the way. Alright. So yeah, fun times. All right, how we doing? Just got back to my room. So I really like this area a lot. Treetown is fun. If you go, I would say after 7:30 p.m. or so, there's a lot of people in that food court. You kind of even have to wait around for a table, etc. So there's a lot of people. It's good fun. You can get a lot of good food there. Prices are pretty reasonable too. There's a lot to drink there, and I've always had a great time there. So I highly recommend it. I just spent a good night there, and it was a lot of fun. Tons of girls there too. I've noticed a lot of girls get off from like restaurants in the area, and then they go there to drink, or well, not drink right now, you know what I mean, but to go and eat and hang out and stuff like that. So there is that cocktails to go on the very corner, but it's a fun time. So I really like this area a lot. As you've seen in my video, I got a haircut. I found laundry. There's a couple laundry areas right around me. So LK Metro, Soi Buakhao area, I really like it so far. And I think it's centralized by everything. I walked to Beach Road a couple days ago. It was about a 18 minute walk. Or you can get a boat ride. It's super cheap. So anyway, yeah, I know in 2 days the curfew goes from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So I really hope they lift a few more restrictions while I'm here. It's time. I mean, honestly, it's time. So anyway, I hope you liked today's video. I just kind of try to take you in you know, different errands that I have to run, kind of around town, stuff like that. But again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Again, keep feeding me those comments of things that you want me to check out while I'm here. If it's worth it, I'm happy to do a video for it. So yeah, just comment below, let me know. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure notifications are on. And as the same as every other day, make today count. It's a beautiful day. Go after your dreams. Go after your goals. Make the day count. I appreciate y'all. Thank you.